Namaskar, IMD welcomes you in its daily weather briefing program. Today is 11th January. ABC yesterday's realized weather, so especially dense to very dense fog conditions prevailed in many parts of Uttar Pradesh in isolated locations of Uttarakhand, Bihar and Punjab, and dense fog conditions prevailed in isolated locations of Assam, Jammu Division, Himachal Pradesh and Rajasthan. And ABC the cold wave to severe cold wave conditions prevailed in some places of Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Punjab, Haryana, Chandigarh, Delhi and Rajasthan, with cold wave conditions over Jharkhand and ground frost conditions recorded in isolated locations of Uttarakhand. Heavy rainfall also recorded in connection with depression over South Tamil Nadu. If we see the highlights, so cold wave to severe cold wave conditions very likely to continue over Rajasthan, Punjab, Haryana, Delhi, Himachal Pradesh and Uttarakhand on 12th and 13th, with cold wave conditions in isolated pockets on 14th with reduction thereafter. And dense fog conditions likely to continue during morning hours over northwest India and Bihar during next 5 days. Cold day conditions are also likely to prevail in isolated parts of Bihar during 11 to 16, that is during next 5 to 6 days, and over North Rajasthan on 11th of January, that is today. And if we see synoptics, so there is a cyclone circulation, that is the remnant or associated cyclone circulation of yesterday's depression that was weakened into well-marked low pressure area yesterday night, midnight, and at 0530 hours AST weakened to low pressure area, and thereafter it will become landmark. And the western disturbance seen over Iran and Arjun region, and a fresh western disturbance likely to affect western Himalaya region from 15th of January. And if we see forecast of minimum temperature, so no significant change in minimum temperature likely for northwest India during next 3 days, and gradual rise by 2 to 3 degrees Celsius during subsequent 4 days. And if we see the weather warning, so especially cold wave to severe cold wave conditions likely to continue over Rajasthan, with red color warning given to West Rajasthan and Northeast Rajasthan, with cold day conditions also likely to prevail over Rajasthan today. And tomorrow morning hours fog conditions, especially North Rajasthan, likely to experience dense fog conditions also. So accordingly, because of multi-hazard, red color warning is given to Rajasthan today. Orange color warning is issued for cold wave to severe cold wave and dense fog conditions over Punjab, Haryana and Delhi, and also Uttar Pradesh, Bihar and Himachal Pradesh and Uttarakhand. And cold wave warning issued with yellow color for especially Kutch region, Nalia and adjoining regions, and heavy rainfall warning for South Tamil Nadu, especially northern parts of Tamil Nadu today, and dense fog warning with yellow color issued for sub-Himalayan West Bengal. This is the district-wise map of Rajasthan. So you can see that orange to red color warning issued especially for northern parts of Rajasthan, especially northwest and some adjoining parts of northeast Rajasthan, Pilani, Sikar and adjoining regions. And if we see the weather warning for day 2 is red color continue for West Rajasthan for severe cold wave conditions and fog conditions, and East Rajasthan orange color with severe cold wave conditions and fog warning. Orange color also issued for Uttar Pradesh for cold wave and dense fog conditions, and yellow color conditions for cold wave conditions and dense fog over Punjab, Haryana and Delhi regions, and dense fog conditions and cold wave warning for Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, and fog warning for Jammu Division, especially Jammu and Neurod, and cold wave warning for Kutch region, and dense fog conditions with cold day warning for Bihar and cold day conditions for Bihar, and fog warning, dense fog warning for Southern and West Bengal, and heavy rainfall for delta belts of Tamil Nadu. On 13th, mainly cold wave warning with yellow color warning Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Uttar Pradesh, Rajasthan, Jharkhand, and cold day conditions for Bihar, and fog warning for northwest India, Bihar and northeast India, and also for sub-Himalayan West Bengal. So that is the warning for 13th, and that is valid for 14th morning, and on 14th that is valid till 8:30 hours IST of 15th. Dense fog warning especially Jammu Kashmir, Jammu Division, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, and cold wave for Jharkhand. And the same warning is for 15th of January. On 16th, only dense fog warning for Haryana, Uttar Pradesh and Bihar with cold day over Bihar, and on 17th, dense fog conditions are likely in 1 or 2 stations of Uttar Pradesh. So that is the warning for next 7 days. And we see the fisherman warning, especially South Tamil Nadu coast, Gulf of Mannar, Arjun regions of southwest Bay of Bengal for day 1 and day 2. And if we see the impact, so mainly impact is for dense to very dense fog conditions over North India, especially northwest India, and cold wave to severe cold wave conditions for northwest India. Suggestions is that transport and aviation, be careful while driving or outing through any transport. Use fog lights during driving. Be in touch with airlines, railways, state transport for schedule of your journey. And regarding power sector, to keep ready maintenance team, human health, to avoid outing until unless emergency, and to cover the face. So accordingly, there is a cold day conditions, cold wave conditions prevailing, so necessary precautions are required. Namaskar, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.